Hi, I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney and trusted advisor. Today we're speaking with Sam Gopinathan of New Wave Home Care. And Sam, we've been talking a little bit about why we use a professional service, and I want to know a little bit more about the types of services. So can you give me kind of an overview of what I might be expecting out of my home care worker or helper?
Definitely. As a home care service provider, let me talk about the entry-level service, which is,
Sure.
We would call it the companion level service. As a companion level care, one can expect to get help with medication reminders, some meal preparation, light housekeeping. They can do your laundry. You have doctor's appointment, they can take you to the doctors, or you want some social engagement, they can take you to church, temple, garden, wherever you want to go. Okay, so the idea is for the older adult to have a more purposeful life, to enhance the life. That's the primary idea. They can help around the house a little bit. As the person gets a little older and the health declines, that's when the higher level of care is needed. Many times clients will need assistance with bathing, dressing, toileting. Imagine a person with Alzheimer's. They're going to require help with everything. They're going to help with feeding. They're going to get help with, let's say, the caregiver in that sense becomes the adult in the room.
Okay.
The person with the level of dementia is like a child. So it's a parent-child kind of relationship, providing them for everything that they need, feeding them on time, giving them the daily showers, taking them out so that they enjoy the life a little bit. They don't want to be confined to the room. A good example is one of my clients. She was an artist. And it's one thing to provide 3 meals a day and a fresh pair of clothes, which is important, don't get me wrong. But we take her to the arts class.
Okay.
And she just loves being in the art class. And she actually started teaching other people over there about painting.
Wow.
Even though she was not the tutor, she was the
Right.
one teaching, because that's what she has been doing all her life. Another good example is I had a client who was World War II veteran. He was a pilot. So we took him to the aviation museum.
Oh.
And guess what he did? He became the instructor, telling them everything about this aircraft, this is what it's capable of doing, and different aircraft. So he started taking people around the whole place, and the staff over there, they took a step back and watched the man in action. So it's about the quality of life that we had to provide. So almost everything that a older adult needs in the daily life, our caregivers are capable of performing. On that note, it's also important to say what they are not permitted to do.
Okay, let's hear it.
Anything medical, anything invasive, like for example, if the person has to take insulin shots, we are not permitted to provide that level of service because that is medical.
Okay.
Or if they have a catheter, if the catheter has to be inserted, and we can empty the catheter, that's different, but we cannot employ a new catheter to the client. So there are things that we are not permitted to do. Other simple ones, clients often ask me, so they can wash my windows, right? No, they can't. They're not permitted to do that. So it's about the client and the care the client needs, and the place or rooms within the house that the client is using that the caregivers are permitted to take care of. If you have a large home and other rooms, if the caregiver is expected to clean and maintain all that, honestly, that's not the right thing. They're not permitted to do that.
Gotcha. So this is important information to understand the components of what we're looking for. But the key word I like, companionship.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a replacement for family, but it's there to help to bring them back to as much of a full life as they can have. And
Correct.
That's important. We've been speaking with Sam Gopinathan of New Wave Home Care. Sam, let everybody know how they can find you, how they can get this super important information.
You can find us on our website, www.newwavehomecare. That's NEWWAVE homecare.com. Or you can also email me directly at sam@newwavehomecare.com.
And I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney, your trusted advisor. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this content useful. I certainly learned a couple of things. And if you like what we're putting out, click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.